These bead and floss pencils are a fun back-to-school activity or for any time of the year when you want to add a little flair to your school or office supplies. They're easy to make, no special skills required, and they're fun to use when you're finished. So let me show you how. For this project, you will need a pencil, 3 colors of floss, e-beads, double stick tape, and scissors. Cut 3 pieces of embroidery floss to about 2 feet each. Put a small piece of double-sided tape onto the pencil about 1/3 of the way down. Hold the ends of the floss together, make sure they're even at the end, and stick the ends onto the double-sided tape just at a slight angle to start. Hold the pieces of floss together flat and in the same order. Don't let them twist around. Begin wrapping the 3 pieces together around the ends that you've stuck to the tape to hide them. And after a few wraps, begin wrapping up the pencil toward the eraser. Again, holding the floss together in the same order. Hold it flat and don't overlap the wraps. This way you'll have a very consistent striped pattern. If you get a few twists or overlap a little, it's no big deal, but just do your best. When you get to the top, tie a knot with the floss and pull it tightly to secure it in place. Thread some beads on the strands. I'm going to do 1 on each strand. You can certainly do more if you'd like, and then tie a knot underneath it so that it will stay in place. Once you have all your beads on, trim the ends of the floss, not too close to the knot, maybe about at least 1/4 of an inch out. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you fun craft activities with new videos every week.